Are you a parent wishing to spend more time with your family? You want to give your children some quality adventures that you never had yourself growing up?
Are you an immigrant like us living abroad and have got huge financial responsibility to support loved ones back home?
Do you sometimes look as if your life is going round in circles, as if you're just working to pay bills and, a matter of fact, you can't get out of debt?
Have you exhausted all your plans? You've tried plan A, nothing worked. You've tried plan B and nothing worked. Why? Cry no more. We are here for you with a solution.
Good news. My name is Annalika Onoye from analikao.com, and I am a digital entrepreneur. Originally, I came here to the UK to work as a nurse. But after 10 years of grinding extra shift, back shift, I looked at my life and it looked as if I was never going to pay all the bills or the debt or even have quality time with the children. Then I started thinking about plan B. I started thinking of what else I could do on the side to help me make extra income. And I'm happy I took a leap of faith. And today I no longer work as a nurse. Yes, I do run full-time business, and I just keep thinking about families out there who might have been in the same position I was years ago and don't think they can do this. I can tell you anyone can do this.
My name is Geraldine Chime. I'm Umwafu Igbo. I started this business in 2020. So far, so good. It flourishes. It helps me get back on my feet. I am a mother of four and a digital entrepreneur. I basically was looking for something that could give me enough time to have quality time that my children deserve, my family, so be able to take them out, go on holiday, do the thing that I wasn't able to do before. In this business, I found all of that. So you will be happy you did.
The great thing is you don't have to be tech savvy. Yes, you need your phone or device to run the business with internet, but honestly, we have full support. You have a huge community, people from all walks of life, all profession, 80,000 or more of us on the platform helping each other out. Therefore, as long as you're willing to learn, you can't go wrong because you have coaches, mentors, and guide everybody to help you be successful in this business.
An awesome thing about this business again is that it's an automated system, which means 90% of it has been done for you. All you need to do is just to complete the 10% remaining and you are set to go. Not only that, you can weave this as a legacy to your family, to your children, to your loved ones. And then this business, you can do it from any part of the world. It doesn't matter where you are. It has no limit. You don't need any qualification to join this business. All you need to do is just to have access to internet. You will meet people from every part of the world doing this business who are willing to share their stories, up and down stories, and their success stories for you to grow. You see, you are not alone. We work with each other. We help each other.
Well, there's so much to talk about. Of course, a YouTube ad will not do that justice. That's why we encourage you. If any of this resonates with you, if you are thinking about this right now, why don't you click on the link below and join a free webinar and decide if this is for you or not. Honestly, someone said if you want something to change for the future, you need to start doing something now. See you on the inside.
This business is legit. It flourishes. It's amazing. It worked for me, and I know it will work for you. So all you need to do, just as my colleagues have said, just click on the links below and then register your name, your email, and you will have access to free webinar. As she said, you will have free a mentorship and all of that available for you, and you will be able to ask more questions and you will receive answers to it and get more information about this business. So see you on the inside. We will take it from there. Bye.
Bye.